What is up, guys? Welcome back to vlog number whatever. Forgot what vlog this is. It's probably around 7. Probably around 7 probably. But today, woke up nice and early to go shoot a like this kind of creek thing. What would you even call this, Jord?
It's more like just an overgrown reserve, really.
Overgrown reserve. That's what we're calling it. But it's some pretty sick stuff. It's really rainy. And yeah. Let's get into it. So we were legit here like yesterday. And overnight it's legit flooded.
Oh, half, right?
No.
Oh, look at that log! Oh, are you seeing that?
We sending?
Are you seeing that? Oh, that is a sexy log.
Shit! Dude, this place is flooded out. That log is fat. We are cooked. What are you doing?
Well, we're getting to that log, you know that, and then we're getting a shot from here because... Hold on. Oh, that's fucking water right there. Try across here.
That route absolutely died in the arse because it was legit. Like, bro, this was a path yesterday. This is legit. What is this?
Wait, there's legit.
This is bloody marine lake here, mate.
No, there's actually no way that we can get onto the other side. There's legit no way.
So I'm in the middle of trying to get this shot for Jord. I have to climb this. And now it starts raining. Perfect. Okay, so it's super wet. I don't know whether my camera is this waterproof. Like, look. Like, it's legit raining, like, hard. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the shot. Okay. Alright, we made it.
At home, just go once the rain. This is a fucking bang of this.
I'm not gonna be able to get to there though. I'm gonna fall in. Bang. Sponsor us up and go, no cap.
I reckon we should just get some fucking yellow jumper shots while we're at it.
Why don't you give me the yellow jumper fucking start, bud? Wait, up there?
Yeah.
You reckon I send the drone off now?
Mate, this is the best you'll get. You gotta get a top down of that.
Alright, I reckon we're gonna send the drone up. You sending? Drone time, baby. He's doing the sketchiest thing. Dude, we are cooked.
No!
Man, it's just gonna be this all day, isn't it? Look at him.
Oh. Let's go.
Another day, another beer.
Another day, another beer. Fuck.
No, we're not sending.
I'm sending.
You actually?
Yeah.
Oh!
That's easy, bro.
Alright, so we got the mask on right now because we're walking on main road. Geeds reckons he's found a location that's somewhat fresh, so...
We can also...
Is this send?
I don't know, is it worth it?
Alright, that photo spot was mission failed, so we're gonna go back down and then we'll hopefully get some shots. Alright, so we found another log that we shot like yesterday. I'm gonna try, this time I'm actually not gonna bitch out on the fucking drone shot. And I'm actually gonna try to get a drone shot.
It's sunny right when we arrive here.
Yeah, nosh.
It's like so
Like, bro, we were walking along this yesterday.
Yeah, I know. fucking no, I'm getting it. Yeah, if you send it out that way. That was sketch, bro.
Alright, I just got a couple drone shots. I reckon I'll come out super sick. We got Geeds here trying to get a shot. But yeah, so those shots hopefully came out really good. Oh fuck. Alright, definitely a successful drone shot, you reckon, Geeds?
For sure, bro.
For sure. Alright, that's a wrap on the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Today we were just trying to get some unique angles in places around our home due to the coronavirus. So I encourage you guys to go out and like shoot whatever you can, different angles, different perspectives.
Our bikes are here.
And our bikes are here, that's mad. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Smethurst Visuals. Follow this mate old here.
You.
What's your Insta, mate?
At Jeeds.photography.
Yeah, there we go, you got a cute little pop tag. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you next week. Peace.